Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here. We are at the Coon Dog Cemetery down here in Alabama. It's the only cemetery of its kind. It's all these dogs but one are coon dogs. There's the Himalayans right there. And Troop was the first dog laid to rest here. So sign says September 4, 1937. The man laid his dog to rest there, Troop. And that was the beginning of this. Every dog in here, this vast cemetery, over 300 animals in here, is a coon dog with the exception of one. And that would be Troop's companion. The wife of Troop's owner insisted that her dog be laid to rest in here, so we think maybe one of these here. We don't know for sure. We're just kind of walking through here. So Troop is right there. There's all kinds of other ones in here. Let's see if we can read some. Oh, Red right there. Dr. Doom. Lulu Bell. Queen. Boone. Ranger. Okay. Fanny. Old True Blue. Just all kinds. We'll try to walk the trail here. This one's made out of wood. Bonzo. Look at this one. Little Mo. Let's see what else we can find. Duke. Here comes the sound of thunder. More Harley. Check out the statue right here. We'll look at that in a minute. Gypsy. Old Red. Felix. Black Fang. Black Ranger. Black Ranger. He was good as the best and better than the rest. Black and Tan Preacher. Hank. But look at this statue right here. Isn't that something? Really neat area out here. We drove quite a ways to get out here. It's very secluded. Let's see what else we can find. So it really goes on. I think he said over 300, something like that. What's this one?
Straight Talking Tex.
Straight Talking Tex, yeah. All kinds of good ones in here. Just look at this. Crow. Corbin. Just beautiful. And there is a dog here. I don't know whose dog that is. Maybe with a truck over yonder, but a little bench out here to sit. Squeak. Anyway, out here in wonderful, beautiful Alabama. Wahoo. 1964 Velocet Venom Clubman. 500cc air-cooled single. Overhead valves.